Have you ever wondered how much it really costs to immigrate or travel to another country? Well, you're not alone. The costs associated with travel and immigration are often veiled behind a curtain of complexity, making it difficult to discern the true price of venturing beyond our borders. Let's start by dissecting the costs into three main categories: application fees, processing fees, and issuance fees. These are the foundation of any travel or immigration journey, but they are just the tip of the iceberg. Application fees, as the name suggests, are the charges you pay to apply for a visa. But did you know these fees can vary dramatically depending on your nationality, the country you're planning to visit, and the type of visa you're applying for? For instance, a student visa for the UK from outside the country increased to a staggering £490 recently. Next is the processing fee, which is the amount charged by the immigration authority to process your visa application. This cost is tied to administrative tasks, such as reviewing your application, conducting background checks, and making the decision on your visa request. Lastly, we have issuance fees. These are the charges that you pay when your visa application is successful and the visa is being issued. Like application and processing fees, issuance fees can also vary depending on a myriad of factors, but the costs don't stop there. There are additional fees, hidden costs, and even fee waivers and discounts that could apply to your situation. Plus, don't forget the cost of potential mandatory vaccinations or the proof of funds required by some countries. It's also worth noting that not all countries require a visa for entry. Some offer visa-free travel or visa on arrival, but these options often come with their own set of rules and regulations. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve deeper into each of these fees. First off, the application fee. What is it and why is it necessary? Let's dive in. The application fee, as the name suggests, is the fee you pay when applying for a visa. It's like paying for a ticket to a show, only this show is the processing stage of your visa application. Now, why is this fee necessary? Well, it covers the administrative costs that come with processing your application. It's like a cover charge for the work done in the back office, examining your documents, doing the necessary checks, and ultimately deciding whether to grant or deny your visa. Remember, this fee is often non-refundable, even if your application is denied, so it's crucial to ensure that your application is complete and accurate to increase your chances of approval. The amount can vary depending on the type of visa and the country you're applying to. For instance, a tourist visa fee might differ from a work visa fee, and the visa fee for the UK might not be the same as that for Australia. So, the application fee is your ticket to the processing stage. But what comes next? Stick around as we explore the subsequent fees in the immigration journey. After your application, you'll encounter processing fees and issuance fees. But what do they entail? Let's dive right in. Processing fees, as the name suggests, are charges that cover the administrative costs of processing your visa application. This might include anything from the time spent by officials reviewing your application to the resources used in conducting background checks or verifying your documents. It's like buying a concert ticket. You're not just paying for the show, you're also covering the cost of the venue, the staff, and the organisation of the event. Now, how about issuance fees? These are the charges you pay for the actual visa document itself. Think of it as the price tag on the physical or digital certificate that gives you the right to travel, work, study, or live in another country. It's akin to the cost of printing that concert ticket or generating a digital pass. But here's the catch. These fees aren't always fixed. They can differ based on a variety of factors. For instance, if you need your visa processed faster than the standard timeline, you might have to shell out for expedited processing fees. Additionally, the duration of your visa can also impact the total cost. A longer-term visa might come with a higher issuance fee due to the extended validity. Moreover, remember that these costs can vary from country to country, and even from one visa type to another within the same country. So it's crucial to research and understand these costs before you start your visa application journey. Keep in mind, these are just the visible costs. What about the hidden ones? Hidden costs, the unexpected expenses that can catch you off guard. When it comes to immigration, these are the costs that often get overlooked. Translation services, for instance, are a necessity for many applicants. Translating your documents into the required language is not always a cheap endeavour, and the costs can quickly add up. Then there's document authentication, another crucial step in the process that comes with its own set of fees. And let's not forget about travel expenses. If you need to attend interviews or submit documents in person, you'll need to budget for transportation, possibly even accommodation. These costs can be significant, especially if your journey involves international travel. So, it's crucial to factor these hidden costs into your budget from the outset. While these costs may seem daunting, there are ways to lighten the load. Fee waivers, discounts, and proper budgeting can help you navigate the financial maze of immigration. It's not a one-size-fits-all journey, as certain individuals may qualify for fee waivers or discounts. For instance, some countries offer reduced fees for students, retirees, or individuals of certain nationalities. It's essential to research these possibilities well in advance, as they can significantly lower your overall costs. Now, let's talk about budgeting. It's vital to create a comprehensive plan that includes all potential costs, from application fees to hidden expenses. A good tip is to always overestimate, as this will give you a buffer for any unexpected costs. Also, consider setting up a separate savings account specifically for your immigration expenses. This way, you can gradually build up your funds without impacting your daily finances. Lastly, keep an eye out for changes in visa fees. They can fluctuate, and in some cases, they may rise significantly, as we saw with the UK's visa prices in 2023. Remember, proper planning can turn the complex journey of immigration into a manageable process. But what if you could bypass some of these costs? Welcome to the world of visa-free travel. Visa-free travel isn't a myth. It's a reality for many globetrotters. Imagine skipping those lengthy visa processes, paperwork, and, yes, the fees. It's possible with countries that offer this golden opportunity. Ranging from tropical paradises to historical treasures, these nations open their doors wide, no visa required. The Schengen zone, for example, allows for seamless travel between its member countries. Other nations offer a visa on arrival, simplifying your entry process. It's crucial, however, to remember that each country has its own set of rules and exceptions. Security measures like fingerprinting, iris scans, or even criminal background checks might be in place. Health precautions, such as required vaccinations, could also be part of the deal. So, before packing your suitcase, do your homework. Check entry requirements, consider the climate, and account for the local customs. Visa-free travel could be a cost-effective way to satisfy your wanderlust. In the end, the journey to a new country is more than just a financial investment. It's a commitment, a leap of faith, an adventure into the unknown. From application fees to processing charges, from hidden costs to visa waivers and discounts, the world of immigration and travel is complex. But with understanding and careful planning, you can navigate it with ease and confidence. Remember, the costs of visas and immigration are not just monetary. They're stepping stones on your journey to new experiences, cultures, and opportunities. They're the keys that unlock the door to a world of possibilities. And let's not forget the joy of exploring visa-free countries or those offering visa on arrival. These destinations offer a sense of freedom and spontaneity, reminding us that sometimes the best adventures are the ones we didn't plan for. So, as we close this chapter, remember that every journey begins with a single step. And each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream destination. As the saying goes, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So, pack your bags, plan wisely, and get ready to explore the chapters of your global story.